Hello, and welcome to episode 5 of Building Zenigo, the open source feature flag and release management software that's available as a SaaS or to self host. I just wanted to show some updates to the UI because I feel like it explains the purpose of the project a bit more. So if we go to www.zenigo.io, so you can see I got the meteors animation working with Tailwind properly. Previously it was just showing the dot at the end, but now it's showing the whole trail behind it as well. Uh, Looks very similar to the Equinex's website that I showed before, but I don't think there's really any need to change it just yet. I'll hide my camera, I'll put it in the bottom right. So we have this menu button up here, and you can register or log in or toggle light mode or dark mode. So if we get started and continue with Google. Now this is all dummy data, but this is to give you an idea of the actual purpose of the application. So you'll have projects where you're involved, so there'll be an organization, then the project name. So if we go to example retail solutions, you can see all of the projects. Now the dummy data doesn't make total sense, but it will eventually when it's real data. But you can see members under the organization, admins under the organization. So total of 3 members, total of 2 admins. You can see which feedback functionality features are available or enabled. So bug reporting, feature requests, but feature feedback is disabled, for example, for the shop.example.com. So if we go into e-commerce platform, so you can see there's 3 tabs: feature flags, feedback, and user segments. Total of 3 feature flags. So you can enable bug reports, feature requests, feature feedback, owner update posts, owner issue posts, user customer issue posts. You can go to the product page, you can create a post, or you can delete the project. So these are examples of feature flags. So for example, this e-commerce platform would have a new checkout flow. So that would be enabled 7 days ago. So dark mode, partial. So this is only released to one user segment, for example. Created 14 days ago. So you can test it out with a beta audience. Beta analytics disabled. So if you have an issue with your new feature, you can disable it and then prevent issues with customers. You can go to feedback. So you can see the source URL. You can see the feedback that the user left. Actions to view in more detail. And user segments. So you can have beta testers, so 245 users in that group. Premium users, 1200 with that premium user segment. And new users, so users who joined in the last 30 days, 732. So you can maybe show the new checkout flow to new users, but keep the old checkout flow for old users to, keep that level of familiarity. None of this is really functional yet, but AI helped me create the look and feel. I'm quite happy with how it turned out. I think I'm going to go stick with this kind of purple and green and slate style palette. And then you can log out, obviously. But yeah, just thought I'd give a quick update of where I'm at with the UI. The UI is deployed, obviously, so you can see it here at www.zenigo.io. So you can go visit it yourself and log in if you want to, but you'll only be seeing dummy data, and there's no real functionality yet, but that'll come soon. I think I'm going to focus more on the back end again to get some of the functionality for the UI available before I start building out, the modals and the fetch requests from the UI side of things and stuff like that. But yeah, Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next episode. Thanks.